is the new microwave. I can't wait to put something good in it. Really? And what are you gonna put in it? So, that's the new microwave, eh? Huh, that makes sense, I guess. Hey, Tuck, can I put you in the microwave? What? May, did you just put Tuck inside a microwave? No. Tell us the truth. I agree with him. Yes, I did. I decided to put Tuck in the microwave. You're so good at it! Now go your room! Okay. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Mimi Gets Grounded from U3.